Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Dodge Durango key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed quickly, usually in just a few minutes, and will restore full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. It should pop out easily. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper contact. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors. Your key fob should now be fully operational with its new battery, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.